What's going on, everybody? It's officially JC here, back with another video. I don't know if y'all could see that drink on my mouth. I was drinking, but yeah, I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but today I'm gonna be posting a video about my rice water, the benefits of it for my hair, along with my own aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna be switching to a voiceover, so y'all stay tuned for the video.
Alright, so I split my hair in 4 sections, as you can see. My hair a little dry. Finna do a little length check for y'all. Trying to get the tangles out, finger detangling first. And as you can see, I am at bra strap length. Well, I'm past bra strap length. I'm like, if you follow my Instagram, I'm like where the tattoo is on the left side of my collarbone, shoulder, whatever you want to call it. Well, it's not on my shoulder. So here you'll just see me applying the gel that I made, the aloe vera gel that I made on my own. And then later you'll see me actually go in with the plants. And I put a little bit on my hair first to detangle, because it's easier to detangle when you use aloe vera gel first. And it's good for your hair. It's beneficial for your hair. And I'll put up the benefits on the screen. I might not, if we being honest. And then I spray it with rice water and I detangle. And I do this throughout my whole head. Just using the aloe vera gel on my hair to detangle. And then spraying the rice water on and then combing through. I do this whenever my hair is super dry, whenever I feel like my hair is damaged after a fresh trim, anything. Rice water makes your hair strong. It helps with breakage. It helps with breakage. It does not restore breakage. I think some people, when you find products or you find remedies that help with your hair as far as it being damaged, people think that they could just leave it damaged and then, oh, this will magically cure my hair. No, you have to cut it first, and then you use these things to help your hair from getting that way again. If you take care of it, then you know you won't have these problems as often, and then maybe you can retain some length. So this is not to fix the problem, it's to stop the problem from happening again. So if you have hair that's broken off, damaged, heat damaged, whatever type of damage you got, cut it off. And then you use some rice water and some aloe vera gel. Look at those curls. Juicy. Ugh. Love it. But yes, you get you a nice friend who knows how to cut those ends. Cut off that damaged hair. Or if you don't got no friends, you need to find you a nice salon that specializes in natural hair. Don't go to no salon that everybody who come out of there, they weave is laid and what lace front. What closure. No, you need to go to somebody who knows how to take care of some natural hair, who knows what a steam treatment is, who knows what a good scalp massage is, good oil, how to take care of dry hair, how to take care of 4C hair, 3C hair, whatever type of natural hair you got. You need to make sure you go into somebody who knows what they can be doing, because going to the wrong hairstylist is just as bad as you doing whatever you doing to yourself at home, knowing you don't know what you're doing. So basically, this is the whole video. You'll see me applying it all over my head. This is the last section, and after this you'll see how my hair looked. The back dried up kind of fast, but that's just because the rice water is to strengthen it, so it's gonna dry. It's not gonna stay wet. And I let this sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I continue with the rest of my wash day process. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want to see me do more hair tutorials. If not, I'm probably going to do some more hair tutorials on my own because I want to do them. So yes, look at those curls. Look at those curls. I hit you with the slow-mo. Subscribe to my channel though. Period. I'm out.